Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the trim on the right side of the inside of your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the trim is cracked, broken, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our fridge. So here's the trim on the right side of the fridge. What we're going to do to get it out is we're going to remove this shelf first, just to make it a little bit easier. And then the next thing we're going to do is right back here, just grab the edge of the trim, and you can just pull it back, and the whole trim will pop right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement trim. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now what we're going to do is we've got two little tabs sticking out right here, and those are going to line up with two notches right on this here. So when we pop it on, we'll try and do our best to line it up, and then just push that forward. But then the other thing you're going to want to do, there are two tabs sticking out right there, as well as two notches in the shelf there. So you're going to line those up as well, and then you're going to push it into place, and everything should snap in. So now it's secure, and we can put our shelf back in, and you're just going to want to make sure those back wheels line up with the grooves that they go into. And it should slide in nice and easy, just like that. And now you can close up your doors, and your repair is complete. What kind of button won't unbutton? A belly button. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.